How's it going, guys? Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be making a chase game. And before we continue, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can get for daily updates. And also, I could upload more often if you subscribe and hit the notification bell below. So do it. Okay, now let's continue with our project. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a chase game. So as you can see in this mini demo, you're an apple who's trying to run away from an octopus. So this is the game. So if the octopus touches you, you lose, and then it eats the apple. But as you can see, there are some bugs like this. Sometimes the apple touches the octopus and moves back, and the game over screen doesn't pop up, or the apple doesn't switch over to the eaten costume. And sometimes the octopus and the apple spawn on top of each other. So we're going to be fixing these bugs in our tutorial we're doing right now. So first go to Scratch and then press Create. And then it will create a new project for you. So let's wait until it loads. Okay, and now it's done loading. So now what we're going to do is to start off. We do not need this cat sprite. If you guys want this sprite, you can keep it, but for me, I don't want it. Instead, I'm going to go to the Scratch library and choose a sprite. I've already planned what I want to choose. So I'm gonna go with the baseball. And if your costume has if your sprite has multiple costumes, make sure to take them out because they won't be necessary. So now to start off coding with this baseball, grab a one flag clicked, go into motion, grab a go to random position. So this way it goes into a random position. And I also think that the ball is getting too big because the ball is way too big because it will be really easy for the enemy to catch it. So what we're going to do is go into looks, go ahead and find the set size to block. I'll replace the size with whatever you want, but I think 50% should do it. Yeah, this is like a perfect size. And now what we're going to do is go to Control, grab a forever loop, and then in the forever loop, go into motion, grab a move 10 steps, replace it with move 20 steps, grab a turn right 15 degrees, change the 15 into 3 degrees. So this way the ball starts rotating like this. But as you can see in our demo version, the apple is following your mouse pointer, but not over here. So we're going to be fixing that. So how do we do it exactly? Well, we can do it by adding this point towards block. Add it inside the forever loop. So this way it points towards the mouse pointer and goes that way. And also this 3 degrees is to make it look like it's actually like a ball. So that's why you guys do not need it actually. But for me, I like it. So this is the code we have for the ball right now. And now choose our enemy. For me, I think I'll go with the batter because I've already got mine planned and I want to do a baseball one. So what we're going to do is add a one flag clicked, go into looks, grab a set size to. I'll replace this with 50% too. Now this looks great. And then this is the bug. The octopus and the ball and the apple, spawn at the same time, like together. So to fix that mistake, what we're going to do is grab a hide block, and then go into Control, wait 3 seconds, and then we're going to show it. So then it will be very good. So then the bug will be fixed. And then what we're going to do is go into motion, grab a go to random position block. So this way, now it should go in a random position. Yep, and it's doing the trick. Now we're going to do the sensing. So now add a forever loop. In the forever loop, go into Control. In the forever loop, go into motion. Grab an if on edge bounce block and grab a move 10 steps. replace this with 20 steps, or you can make it 10. It's up to you. So now this is the movement for the baseball. But as you can see, it's just bouncing around in one direction like this. So what we're going to do is add this block, turn left this time, sorry. Make it 3 degrees. So this way it starts turning. It will move and start bouncing like that, which is a good thing. So now this is the code. So now what we're going to do is the detection. So go to control, add an if then loop, and then grab the touching mouse pointer, replace it with baseball, and then go into events. Sorry, not events, and then just grab this block stop all. Actually, I think I got an idea. Instead of adding a plain stop all, I think it's better if we do like a type of animation. Like, since this is the batter, and there are 4 costumes, I'm going to repeat this thing 3 times. So this way, so it will go like 1, 2, 3, which is perfect. So that's what we're going to do. Repeat it 3 times. I'm going to go into looks, grab next costume. If you do the switch costume one, it's going to take a longer time, so it's better if I add a next costume instead. So I'll make this 0.3 seconds, I guess. So let's check. So just try it again. So now it's working. What we're going to do is add a stop the script. Sorry, we're going to stop all other scripts in Sprite, because this thing has a hole to it that we can connect. So you can add that in the bottom, stop other scripts in Sprite, and then after we're going to add stop all. So same for the baseball. What we're going to do is we're going to make it stop when it touches the batter. So let's add a touching if then statement. Add an if touching batter. Then what we're going to do is stop the script. So let's see our mini little chase game here. Let the batter spawn, and that's good. So now I think it's better if we get a backdrop, because I don't like this plain old backdrop. So again, I know what to pick. I'm again going with the baseball one. So I think this should do it. Now I'll take a backdrop one. You guys can draw your own backdrop if you'd like, but for me, this is good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to be adding a countdown timer to end this video. So to do a count, and we're going to add a timer also, sorry. So what we're going to do is go into variables, click on make a variable, and create a variable. I'll call this timer for all sprites, and then wait in the baseball sprite. So add a first, when green flag's clicked, add a set timer to 0 block. And then what we're going to do is, so over here, we're going to be taking out this part. Oops. So we're going to keep this and add a change timer by 1, and we're going to wait 1 second. 1 second before we do it. And then we could get another one flag clicked and the forever loop, and we'll do a stop other scripts in Sprite, because we have 2 scripts. Okay, so it's not working. I think that's because we're supposed to add this also. Now it should work. Yeah. That's good. Now all we have to do is show the timer to see if it works. Yeah, there we go. Our timer is working. and I'll just add, and it looks like it's not working, so we're going to go to control, add a wait until, go to operators, grab a not, just wait until not, and duplicate this touching batter, and then add this at the end. So this way, it should only happen once, not twice. Yes, it's working. And now what we're going to be doing is, now we're going to be making a countdown timer. So for this one, we're going to paint a sprite, and then add a countdown timer. So to start off, what we're going to be doing is just naming the costumes 3, 2, and 1. So since this one is 3, I'll get a black text. Oops. Black text. Make this none, like no outline, and then go into text and I'll write down 3, and then center it. So do the same thing for 2, 1, and write down go at the end. So I will do it and be right back. Alright guys, so I've finished drawing them. So here's 3, 2, 1, and go. So for the go costume, make sure to name it go as well. So now here we begin. Start off with the one flag clicked. And then we're going to go to show because we need to hide the spread after. And then start off by adding a switch costume to 3. Wait maybe 0.8 seconds. And then duplicate this. And then make it 2. Duplicate it again. Actually, just duplicate this whole thing again. And then add 1. And for this one, go. And for this one, go. And what we're going to be doing is that we want the game to be starting when this thing reaches go. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be hiding this block, and then hiding the sprite, and then go to events, find this broadcast message 1, replace it with start. Create a new message, call it start game. So now what we're going to be doing is this. So we're going to be taking all of this, replacing the green flag clicked. I'm taking that out and put when the green flag is clicked as hide. And then find this when I receive start game, put that on. So this way, whenever the green flag is clicked, the batter won't show, but when it starts, he will. And then we're going to do the same thing towards the ball. So let's throw out this one, because we only need one when flag clicked. So we're going to hide this. And then, and then grab a when I receive start game on these. So now our game should work. Let's see. Oh, but there's the problem. We're not showing the ball. So just add a show over there. Now it should work. So you see the ball, and then there's the batter. He just swings us. So that's good. Now this is it for today's video, and I hope you have a good day, and bye. And I'm also going to be sharing all of this in the link. I'm going to be sharing all of this on my Scratch profile, and the links will be on the description for the 2 games, the demo version and this one. So let me just first call this chase game. And that's it for today's video. Bye.